Yesterday, we spent the morning at the beach. Raine had come down with a cough the past week, and we wanted her to take advantage of the healing properties of the ocean. We also wanted to bring Asher so he could experience the beach for the first time. My husband and I, we love to work and we enjoy what we do immensely. We enjoy it even more because we get to do it together. So much so that we have to intentionally take a step back to relax and spend time with our kids and bond as a family. We're grateful that we have built a business that allows us to do that. Even when we're at the beach, our business continues to function. My videos are on YouTube providing information to buyers and sellers 24/7. Soon you will be launching the Zeta Group website so our clients can check our listings, market updates, and real estate tips and hacks on the website. We have a team who continues to attend to our clients even on Sundays. Of course, I myself make it a point to respond as fast as I can. Just yesterday, we were able to close another condo unit in Oceanfront Residences at Paragua Coastown in Palawan. It was an executive studio with balcony at 36 square meters with a total contract price of $10 million. My client was an Australian who wanted to own a beachfront property in the Philippines, as he comes here several times a year. And all this was done while I was at the beach spending quality time with my family. By the way, if you want to know more about Paragua Coastown, you can check the video, Project in Focus video on the card here, and I'll also link it in the description. Cebu Pacific also just launched direct flights to San Vicente, Palawan, so this will make San Vicente more accessible and convenient to travel to. Of course, it wasn't always like this. When I first started in real estate, I had to do everything myself. From marketing to accounting to filing taxes, assisting clients, coordinating with developers, the list was endless. But if you want to do more, serve more people, provide value on a wider scale, then you need to build a team. And that is what we are in the process of doing. And this is why we can go to the beach and continue to close deals. We even closed a unit in Oceanfront Residences in Palawan on the day that I gave birth to Asher, all because of teamwork. What is the main takeaway for today's email? It is to trust the process. Do the work and the work takes care of you. Continue planting and planting even when it's tough, even when it seems like it won't rain, even when it feels like your efforts are not bearing fruit. Things are always hardest in the beginning, especially when you don't have the momentum or resources yet. But there will come a time when your efforts will start bearing fruit. Then it will become a little easier. Now we are slowly gaining momentum because of the work we have put on years before. And we will continue to work harder and smarter. We will continue to build leverage using media, technology, and the team. We are excited for what the future holds. And thank you so much, guys, for being there and sharing this journey with us.